how to change theme to standard in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the theme to standard. First of all, open the application. Now here, simply select the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one. Now simply double tap on this interface. Here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Simply tap on AA. So here there are different layouts available. Simply select on themes. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the third option you can see standard. Simply select standard. So if you go back, the interface has been changed. So the whole spacing and the lining has been changed to the standard. So it is standard one and you can read it accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.